Now available at Guaranteed Motors, this lovely Seat Ibiza 1.4 Toca. So it's a straight aspirated 1.4 petrol engine. And as you can see, it's been kept in exceptionally good condition. So we have got 87,872 miles on the clock. CD FM radio, air conditioning, 5-speed manual gearbox, and stereo controls on the stalk, chip computer. But all in very, very clean, very well presented condition. And it does look absolutely stunning in white. And we will service the car, put new MOT on it, and as with all cars at Guaranteed Motors, we are the RAC Approved local dealer. So you get 6 months RAC warranty, 12 months breakdown cover, and the 82-point RAC approved check. Call Guaranteed Motors today.